Two-factor authentication not working on direct investing app fix. If you can't log into your direct investing app because your two-factor authentication isn't working, you're not alone and the fix is simpler than it seems. The surprising truth is, it's rarely a major technical failure. Most of the time, it's a quick settings adjustment. Start by checking your phone's time settings. Two-factor codes depend on accurate timing between your device and servers. Go to your settings and make sure Set Automatically is enabled. If your clock is even a few seconds off, your codes can fail. Next, open your App Store and ensure that the Direct Investing app is fully updated. Outdated apps sometimes fail to connect with these latest authentication protocols. After updating, close and relaunch the app before logging in again. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, open it and tap Sync Time for codes. This keeps your app and systems in perfect sync. If you receive your two-factor code via text message and it never arrives, disable your phone and switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Some internet providers and FBLS block automated security messages. If you recently changed your phone, deleted your authenticator or restored your device, select Can't Access Two-Factor. On the login screen, support team will walk you through resetting it safely. If none of these steps help, uninstall and reinstall the Direct Investing app. This clears corrupted cache files and reconnects the app to its servers securely. Once your settings, app, and network are aligned, your two-factor authentication should work perfectly again. It might feel like a hassle, but it's one of the strongest safeguards keeping your portfolio and personal information protected from unauthorized access.